Hello everyone, this is Desy, and in this video we're going to talk about how to complete your jobs, how to generate the affidavit and print the invoice or generate the invoice. So let's go ahead and edit this job, for example. So here I have my party to be served who is an individual. So let's say it was individually served. So all we have to do is just click on the party to be served. It will expand with its information, the address, and all we got to do is just scroll down and get to the add service information area. Right here, you can go ahead and fill out your service information. So let's say it was served today. And our type of service, which is going to be individual. So I'm just searching in my drop-down list. There it is. And then I can select the military or marital status if it applies in the service. So I can go ahead and say no, no, and then fill out my recipient description accordingly. And then lastly, I would check the box that this is the actual service information. And then I can add any comments that I want before I'm done, or any attachments that I want before I'm done. Once I'm done, I can hit accept or save or accept, and then it'll prompt you to do some other stuff. So this would be if it's an individual service. Now let's just pretend that it's not individual service. Let's just say it's an actual substitute service. So let me remove this from here real quickly, just to run the second example, and then I'll run through the very end. Okay, perfect. So if it was a substitute service, then what we would do is expand the party to be served first, or at least that's what I like to do. Click on copy so I can copy this whole entire information. Click on add another right up here, and then click on paste. Now all I have to do is just change the information of the person that I served. So let's say I would have served her husband. So now I have her husband. I can go ahead and type the date of service. And actually, I believe I entered this job today. So let me do today's date. And then my type of service, which is substitute residential. Same thing, merit and military status would go here. And then if I don't want to do the recipient description, I can always disable that by going into job basics, uncheck include recipient description, go back to the service information, and you will see that it is gone. And then you can just do, this is the actual service information, add any comments that you want. Any attachments that you may need to attach for final process, click on save. It is going to tell you to verify the invoice. So go here, I see, you check that you're making the proper charges. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit save. And then now it's going to take you to the window to either attach the affidavit to the job or print the affidavit, depending on what your printing options are in the job. So let's say I want to also print and attach, hit accept. And they have now been added to my print queue. All I have to do is process my print queue, and that is it. A similar way goes with businesses. So if you have a job that is a business, and obviously almost everything is going to have an alternate servee, you just open up your party to be served, click on copy, add, paste, and then go ahead and just change your first name, last name, and relationship would be their job title. And then just keep moving forward, date, time of service, type of service, so on and so forth. I hope this was helpful, and if you guys have any questions, please let us know. We are here to help with anything regarding WebPST.